In today's video, we are going to do some quick number and accounting formatting here in Excel. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a real basic spreadsheet here, and I've got some names and some numbers, and I just want to change the format of this so that we get both some monetary figures as well as some more accounting style numbering that is really going to be helpful when presenting information here in Excel. So again, this is just the real basics. You can get creative with this. What we have here is we have the names of our salespeople, we have number of sales they've made, and then the total that those sales add up to. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that Excel knows column C is talking about monetary figures and displaying them that way. So what I can do is I can come up here to the C header and I can click on that. And what that's going to do is it's going to actually select all of the cells in column C. Now, if you just wanted to select a few specific cells, what you can do is just come down here and highlight the ones you want to format. But again, selecting this means that any future input that you put into these cells is automatically going to match that money format. So once we have our column selected, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to this little menu option. And as you can see, there's a little dollar figure. And literally, all you have to do is click on that. There's also a little drop-down menu where you can see you have different options for specific monetary figures. You can actually click on this to get even more. So for us, we have our default as English. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that money sign. And as you can see, it updates and makes these into very specific monetary figures. Now, again, what it does is it puts that dollar figure over on the left and then puts the dollar amount over here on the right. Now we can format this even further by actually, again, clicking on that column. And then we can come over to this little area, and this is going to allow us to select the number of zeros that you display. Now watch what happens when I go to the left here. That's actually going to increase the amount of decimals you're able to see. Now obviously we don't really want that, so I can actually move this in this direction and we can actually delete all the cents. In this instance, it will actually round these figures all the way up if there's any cents left over. So again, just a way of really kind of clearing things up a little bit more. We also can come back up here and we can click on accounting. And if we click on accounting, what again it's going to default to is back to that 2 decimal points and again putting the dollar figure over there on the left. All right, now again, that's just real basics of showing formatting for monetary options. Again, you have a whole bunch of different ones that you can use coming in here and selecting on different currencies, numbers, those kinds of things. So again, get creative with this if you need to make your spreadsheets really pop. Friends, I hope that was helpful. If it was, hit that thumbs up button for us. Let us know we're making helpful videos. And then stay tuned because we're actually making a whole series on Excel, and those tutorials are going to be coming out really, really soon. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.